Mike Hughes here. I'm at Salt Blue and I'm here with Olivia. And Olivia, you have a new product to show us?
Absolutely. So this is our new T2 line. So it's very similar to our old titanium product. However, this one is a lot more flexible. It's made of a nylon and lycra blend. So it's a little bit more comfortable to get into, not as stiff. Very flexible. It still has those titanium particles woven throughout the jacket to reflect your body heat back towards you, keep you nice and toasty. It also has that nice fleece lining. This is still washing machine safe, so nice and easy to clean. You don't have to worry about dunking it in a bucket with some sort of shampoo. Whatever detergent you use is fine. Wouldn't put it in the dryer though, might make things unravel a little bit. Nice, comfortable, very warm.
And then you can see what it kind of looks like in a 3D picture, as it were. Okay, so if they want more information about the product, they can go to Salt Blue, which you have several different companies that are part of the Salt Blue family, including Sharkskin.
Yep,
so,
Sharkskin.
And these aren't real sharkskin because real sharks don't have titanium.
Absolutely not.
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah, no worries.